On October 5, 2025, at approximately 2:03 p.m., an officer spotted a blue Suzuki motorcycle without a license plate on Interstate 30 westbound near mile marker 141. The rider, later identified as Craig Washington, was speeding and making an unsafe lane change. When the officer signaled for him to stop, Washington refused and accelerated. A pursuit began, with his speed reaching 120 miles per hour.
30 westbound, 126, 249 from Shell gas station, 126, with a white Jeep. They do have pictures of the vehicle, 40 westbound. For out of 1. And I'm ready.
The pursuit continued along I-30 as Washington reached speeds of up to 120 miles per hour. He repeatedly changed lanes, weaved between vehicles, and used the shoulder to avoid traffic. As the chase approached exit 133, another trooper took over the pursuit. Washington continued on to the frontage road before turning onto University Avenue, but the chase was far from over.
Wide traffic. Took the 133. 36 gonna be from here. We blew through Grassy west on the west surface road. No traffic. Turning a right. Taking westbound on the surface road. White shirt, he's signaling this, but he's speed 70. Speed's 30. Taking a right, coming up on University. Speed's 30. We're at University in the front surface road. We might be stopping now. No, we're just taking off. We're north on University. Wide traffic. Turning left. TBI.
Out of this club. Did you wreck out? Oh, wow! Ow! Please, the cup, sir, please. Ow! 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 Please, sir. Please. Please, sir. This one. All right with me. Please, sir. Ow! What's your name? Craig, what? Ow! I'm sorry, man.
Can you get your cuffs and then we can take these off?
I'm sorry. I'm 12. I'm just going through some things. Stupid. I'm so stupid.
That is correct. Hold his hand back. Hold his hand up.
I'm not going to fight. That's why I'm not.
Wait. Date of birth.
22583.
22583. Craig, CRAID.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Huh? It's mine.
Is it stolen?
No, sir.
Sure about that?
Yeah. All the paperwork is in the back seat.
We're on the sunset thing.
Let's just go. Sir. How was that? No, they don't do no good. It's done now.
That is correct. That is done. Got anything on? I didn't see it.
Take care, baby. That ain't mine.
At exit 133, Washington abandoned the motorcycle and attempted to flee on foot. Officers pursued him and quickly took him into custody.